backing. This is Omah performing for the audience, and you can see for yourself that everyone is wild with his performance. He has the strength, the stage controlling. Omaha's got that unique potential. Whenever he goes on stage, he just gets everyone to sing along with him, word for word. Even if you haven't heard of that song particularly before, but there's this way he tries to just make you all know the next words that is going to come out from his mouth, and then you would be able to just sing along with him. Male is just that guy with really rare talent there, and he's got all the potential that you would need from an artist. So he was performing his hit songs on this particular stage, giving them vibe for vibe. Everyone was just shouting Male at the top of their lungs, and they really had to enjoy the whole moment together with him, because it was awesome to see Malay on stage and giving them that vibe they wanted to see. So I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video yourself, but please make sure you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Bye King, and I got your back. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything you want us or you would love to share with us. Have a nice day.